So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is now take a look at this notation, and I decided to just work with sine and these words, amplitude, period, equation of the axis. There is actually a fourth concept that we're going to make sure we're okay with. I think for the first question you see an example 1 is this one, y equals 4 sine x. Right? Everyone see that? What's the first question? Okay, so notice what I actually drew at the top here. A lot of you know the general the function notation of the function, the equation that we gave you way back. A stands for vertical stretch of compression, K stands for horizontal stretch of compression, P stands for horizontal shifting left and right, Q stands for vertical shifting up and down. Wow. Slowly some of you are going to realize what I'm going to do. This 4 is probably an A. And so to walk through, we'll just do one cycle, and hopefully you have some room on the graph paper that's provided for you. I'm going to just be sketching. This is going to be y equals sine x. I should have given myself more room. Class 1, negative 1. Let's erase this a little bit. I need more room. I'll put it over here. Kind of use small numbers. So for this graph, y equals 4 sine of x. A lot of you already understanding, I think, it's going to stretch vertically. Right? So technically, we could use the mapping rule. We can, but most students actually innately know what I'm doing really fast. So let's just ask an obvious question. Can I get a volunteer to tell me what's the amplitude of the new graph from the class? What's the amplitude? 4. And that's really what a lot of you are connecting now. The A is actually directly related to the amplitude. Right? Everyone see that? Even though it's not written for you, let's see in class if someone can tell me what I should draw for y equals half sine of x. So let's just draw a sketch really quickly. That's 1, that's 1. Any volunteer want to tell me from the class? What should I draw? Yeah?
The max should be 0.5 and the min should be -0.5.
Nicely done. So what we should get for our new transformation is vertically compressed. Something like that, right? And it should be smooth. I didn't draw it.
Those look like dunes.
Sorry?
They're very pointed.
Should be smooth. Everyone okay with that? So a lot of you are understanding what A is in the equation. It's the vertical stretch of compression, it's the amplitude, right? So far so good? That's amplitude, ladies and gentlemen.